Hi, my name's Katie with Modern Textiles, and today I'm going to show you how to do 2 at a time, 4 at a time, and 8 at a time half square triangles. So for the 4 at a time method half square triangles, you just need your 2 squares, and the game plan, we don't even need to mark anything, which is fabulous. Layer them together just like you would, and we're going to sew a 1/4 inch scant seam around the outside of the square. And then from there we're going to cut an X, and then we'll trim our half square triangles. All right, now we're going to go ahead and cut on the diagonal both ways. And then from here you've got your 4 half square triangles. I'm going to go ahead and use my favorite trimmer. So really I only have 2 specialized trimmers in my sewing room. I have my Flying Geese trimmer, and then I've got the Clearly Perfect slotted trimmers. They come in a 2-pack. There's an A size and a B size. This one is going to be for the 1/2 inch. So I'm trimming these down to 5.5 inches, and you don't press them before you trim them, which is, in my opinion, the best. So all you do is you line up your dash line on your seam, and then you're going to go ahead and trim and that way now when you press this open, it's going to be the perfect size that you need already. So I'm going to do that for the next 3. I'll press them and I'll meet you back here. All right, and there you have it, all pressed to the dark side. You have your 4 at a time half square triangles. All right, welcome back. I'm going to show you the 8 at a time half square triangle method. So I've got my 2 squares here. I'm going to sandwich them together. And then what I'm going to do is go ahead and mark with my Hera marker my 2 diagonals. Whoops, kind of got off on that one. My goodness. And now I'm going to go ahead and sew scant 1/4 inch seams on either side of the X, and I'll meet you back here for cutting. Now I have my seams on both sides of the X. I'm going to go ahead and just place this right where I know I just have to cut in the middle here. So this is kind of an odd shaped square. It's on a 3/4, so I'm just kind of getting it right in between 1/8 inch away from each of the main grid lines here, so that way I can go ahead and when I trim, so what I'm going to do is cut along the diagonals, the lines we drew, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut vertically and horizontally as well. And now, with that, you have your 8 half square triangles. And what I'm going to do is use my trimmer tool that I use in the 4 at a time method and get these all trimmed up. And there you have it. We've got 8 half square triangles done with the 8.5 square triangle method. In the next video, I'm going to show you the Lucille tote, a free pattern available on my website.